One more addition I'm doing to my boat. This is the receipts that came on it. And there's the mount that's on it right there. And this is what I'm doing to it. I'm adding 7-inch pedestals to it. So what I did is I split the pieces that were under here. And what I mean by that is I put this one on the seat with the little riser on it. But the bottom piece that normally goes on here that attaches to the boat is still right there. And so what I'll do is I'll bolt the pedestal directly onto this piece. And then that way, my seat will still slide on and off. I can remove it if I need to. And there you go. There is a seat mounted in place. And I can still remove it. Pull the pin. It comes out. Goes back in. Drop the pin. You're done.